All right, guys, we are all filled up. Just stopped at Shell. We're gonna go off-roading today. Probably some stunts. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
I'm down before you tighten.
Nothing to see there. We are finally here. We got a new guy in the group. His name is Matt, so welcome Matt to the group. Gonna do some off-roading today on his first day with us. That's gonna be fun. He'll climb. Almost hit a tree. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try that one. All right, here comes Tyler. Oh man, nice there. And didn't even bottom out, right?
Nope.
Yep, he's got some new suspension on that thing. What is it?
It's a just an Olin's drop-in spring and fork mod.
Olin's drop-in spring, fork mod, and thicker oil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 weight oil. So yeah, if you haven't checked out that video, we got a $15 fork mod, and then he also did the springs for it, and then thickened the oil, and he's not having any drop or bottom out issues, especially on all these big jumps. So for all you guys off-roading out there like us, check it out. You want to do a lap around?
Okay.
He said that's fine. Oh my God. I slammed on that. Woo! For Tomac. Your whole bike shifted. Gotta catch up. Yeah. Matt just keeps watching us attempt wheelies and suck. Oh my gosh. I just spun. Oh. Yep. Oh. Okay.
You always gotta throw that thing up when you get to the
That hurt. Ow. I tried to slow down and I slammed into this thing. Yeah. You gonna try to slide out? hit his tire. Terrible. Wait, we turn there. It looks really nice. So what, is that an easy pull?
It's the Impact Tech one.
Okay.
Mine's the eBay version of it.
Oh. Do you mind? Oh my God. It's like lemonade.
Life hands me lemons, I make beef stew.
Yeah. What are you talking about? It's so loud. You have the same exhaust.
It's at the...
Pretty much the same.
Yeah. Why you got a check engine light?
Bazzazz. I got a fuel controller. So, I'm just gonna take this apart, put a piece of electrical tape over it. That's how you do it. Oh, I'm trying.
It's so weird to hear.
You said it's so weird what?
To hear that.
To hear it in a wheelie or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm used to hearing nothing. He makes it look so easy.
I'm struggling to keep it up in the air, and he's just like, excuse me while I do a circle. Like, gosh darn it. I just need to stand up.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
That was close. He's been getting a lot better. He's the only one in the group that could do endos.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we're about to... Tyler's going to grab one more guy, and then he's going to come back and we'll ride around.